Kasi kung ikaw naman, may utang ka na, huwag ka na rin maging magarbo sa sa pagpo-post mo at sa buhay mo.
Kung jowa mo, yung umutang sa'yo, sisingilin mo ba?
Tapos gaganon ka lang, babe. Gusto mo naman magbayad. Pero life happens.
Wala ka na nga pera, may pang sapatos kang ha.
Sila na yung nagmagandang loob, sila pa yung naargabyado. You could pay me later.
Say What Podcast with G and Abby.
This is me, G Canlas.
And Abby Asistio.
Ayan.
At ang topic natin ngayong araw na ito,
Ay nako.
maraming makaka-relate dito. Dahil mga kaibigan, ngayon ang pag-uusapan po namin ay utang! Tang.
Hindi kami nagmura nun ah.
And it's pretty interesting kasi
Yeah.
we've been doing videos for a while now.
Yeah.
Medyo nagva-viral naman yung iba doon. So nakakatuwa kasi when we decided to go all out and be consistent with content creation, it's nice na nagva-viral siya.
Yeah.
And one of the videos na talagang nakarelate kayo at shinare ninyo ay...
Ito, we'll play it for you guys. Roll it.
Hoy, ikaw! Pag hindi ka nagbayad, babalatan kita ng buhay! Ganon. Ulitin mo.
What she said.
Hindi! Lagyan mo ko
What
dun.
she said.
Hindi! Parang ganito. Hoy! Kining mo! Kung hindi ka magbabayad, tatadyak ako yung tuhod mo! Ganon.
Kining.
Kumanta siya.
Ayan. I mean, if kayo hindi kayo nakarelate, I definitely was able to relate. Kaya nung iniisip namin yung concept for this, it was
Yeah.
so effortless.
Oo, nagulat din ako na ang daming nag-dub, ang daming
Oo.
nag-share. And it's nice kasi we were able to show two sides.
Yeah.
One is, as Filipinos, when it comes to borrowing money,
Yeah.
that medyo dami tayong hesitations,
Yes.
nahihiya pa tayo.
Oo.
Pero yung ginawa mo doon, very confrontational.
Oo. Ikaw naman, you didn't want to, parang be assertive about it. Hiya ka. Oo.
So today we're gonna be talking about the utang culture. Meron pa tayong Please Pay Me Na with
Oh,
the
yeah.
parody. Please
Oo,
Pay Me Na.
yun din.
So tayo munang dalawa.
Tayo. Sige. There's a reason why this went viral. Collectively, that was like around 36 million. Insane. I mean,
Tsaka nasa 100K din yung... Gusto ko yung we're trying to be humble. Pero nakakatuwa. It's really more of, kasi syempre, we put our effort also into the content that we do. So
And
when
it's
things
nice
like
when
this
people
happen...
find it relatable.
Oo. So yung video na to, you were saying...
Ano siya yun nga, we were thinking of something relatable and now we're talking about yung how it applies to us.
Yeah.
Oo.
Nagutangan na ba tayo?
Yes, nagutangan na ba tayo? Yun na, let's just jump right into it.
Diretsahan.
Diretsahan na tayo. Pag mag-close ba na barkada, dapat ba mas may reason magpautang? Or you stay away from it?
Yung sa ating dalawa muna.
Sa atin muna, sige. We have a rule.
Yes.
Yes, we have a rule. Ang rule is, hindi kami pwedeng magsabay.
Na walang pera.
Oo, kailangan ako may pera, siya wala, siya naman meron, ako wala.
Oo.
So then we kind of get each other's capabilities to accommodate a request.
Yeah. Nabuti naman, thank God, no? Hindi tayo nagsasabay. Good job. Oo. Kasi meron moments talaga yung walang-wala ka talaga. Tapos ayaw mo naman talaga manghiram.
Yeah.
In general naman, I think normal sa mga tao na they don't want to put themselves in that position that they have to borrow money.
Of course.
Especially when you know that the other person is also working hard
Yeah.
to earn, to save. So, yung sa atin, una sa amount siguro muna.
Sa amount, magkano pa yan? May pa-cute factor. Alam mo, ewan ko sa Pinoy, ganun talaga. Yung, kunwari mag-a-ask ka, baka pwedeng 4,000?
Ganyan talaga mukha niya. Gumaganto pa. Gumaganon pa siya.
Baka pwedeng 10,000? Tapos pag nakita mo na,
pataas eh.
pag nakikita mo na papayag siya, baka pwede mong sagarin 50. Ganyan.
Pero kasi close naman kami. So, and I think part of it also, alam mo kung may pumasok dun sa sa isang tao.
Updated.
Yung parang pag medyo ko ngayon, hindi, kumita ka, di ba? Nabayaran ka dun sa charot.
It helps na prank ka. Kasi like, she would tell me, alam mo, gagamitin kita ngayon.
Oo.
Hirap ako sa'yo ngayon, gano'n.
Tsaka yung magkasama tayo buong araw, pero at the back of my mind,
Ask ako
alam ko
nito.
na sa dulo nito, sasabihin ko na yung linya na, Gazelle, kasi medyo na tight ako ngayon, medyo kinulang, nakapos na konti.
Pwedeng-
Meron ka bang, oo.
Pahapyaw.
Oo.
Pero ang maganda, there are also times na we would borrow but we can't accommodate. I
Yeah.
think it's like an unspoken thing with us na if hindi siya pwedeng makapag-accommodate ng paghihiram, walang samaan ng loob.
Oo.
Oo, kasi parang for me, dapat tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung barkadahan and it doesn't prevent me from asking you next time if, uy, tara labas or tara hang out, ganon. Kasi kung tampururot ka, wag ka na lang umutang.
Oo.
Diba?
And ibang tao naman, well, tayo, we've learned to say no. And hindi naman yung, hindi kita pa utangin. Parang kasi you also know where the other person is coming from.
Yeah.
And syempre, you wanna help as much as you can. Pero kung wala din talaga or enough lang for you, you should be able to be honest enough to say, sorry girl, wala talaga
Yeah.
ngayon eh. Kasi alam mo naman din na pag meron,
Pwede
go
naman,
lang.
oo.
Although with friendships, I also have friends na when it comes to money, ano nila yon? Kumbaga, principle nila.
Limitation.
Oo, boundary nila
Oo.
na, sorry, wala, when it comes to money, ayoko talaga. Kasi pwedeng maging source of, tension, or samaan ng loob.
So, I guess that kind of answers yung does it matter how close you are.
Mm-hmm.
Na if you are close to that person, pwede siyang, it could go either way.
Yeah.
Mas lalo mong ipapahiram dahil close kayo. Or mas lalong hindi kita pahiramin kasi nga close tayo.
Oo.
I don't want to risk the friendship being ruined.
Ayaw nyo na mag-away kayo.
Oo.
Kasi minsan, it doesn't even matter what amount it is eh. Diba?
Yeah.
Hindi naman kailangan. Ang laki ng hiniram mo, ibalik mo. Minsan yung principal lang na kahit 500 pa yan, 1,000.
Yeah.
Pero because you said you would pay at this particular day,
Yeah.
yung integrity mo, na din eh.
Natatarnish if
Oo, na parang tignan mo to, sabi magbabayad daw this week, tapos nakalimang buwan na, hindi pa rin. Yung mga ganon.
Do we drop the story?
Oh, which story? Okay.
Yeah,
sige,
yeah.
pwede.
Kasi this will be anonymous. Okay, utang anonymous. I love it. So we have a friend na umutang ng 2,000 and it was for a barkada situation. So yung tinanong din niya, kabarkada din namin, uy, baka naman pwedeng paspat muna ng 2,000. Babalik ko next week kasi kailangan lang this week. Parang ganun yung yung atake.
Context.
Oh, yung context. And then this friend started going abroad,
posting
New
the new
shoes,
stuff.
new
mga
shoes,
ganyan.
a laptop, ganyan. Yung friend namin na to, na nagpautang, sobrang well off. Hindi niya mamimiss yung 2,000, okay? Pero, alam mo yun, pag nagpo-post yung friend namin, nagko-comment.
Oo, nangingit-ngit na kasi siya eh.
Oo,
na parang,
nangingit yung pag nakikita.
oo. Kasi kung ikaw naman, may utang ka na, huwag ka na rin maging magarbo sa, sa pagpo-post mo at sa
Oo.
buhay mo. Nang iirita ka pa eh.
Nangiirita ka eh, ha? Wala ka
Oo.
nang pera, may pang sapatos kang hype
Oo.
ka.
Oo.
No, but our friend, nagko-comment siya na parang, ito nakita ko to, naalala ko to, wow. Yun lang yung kinoment niya, wow. Parang it could be misread as, wow, how nice yung shoes. Pero
Hindi,
merong
alam mo na
ganun.
sarcastic.
Merong, wow, may ano ka ha? Pambili ka ha? May ganon. So, I guess that's where you draw the line, I think. When you borrow money, ikaw na mismo yung magbalik. Wag mo nang intayin na tawagan ka, magparamdam sa'yo.
Yeah. Or kung nagparamdam na nga, makilugar ka na and makiramdam ka na di yung bubuka pa ng flight. I'm here right now on my way to ganyan. Tapos food trip.
Tapos #blessed.
#blessed. Samantala yung inutangan mo, yung parang habang nagtetelepono. Tignan mo to, pakakapal ng mukha talaga. Oo.
Ganun, diba?
Parang mahiya ka naman din.
Yeah.
Oo. And we're able to say this kasi, well, I personally am able to say this and make a parody out of it pa. Kasi I was also in that position na umabot sa point na hindi naman ako proud. Kaso, kunyari, meron na akong mga naplano na out of the country trips.
Maintindihan naman niya eh.
Oo, nakulang. Uy, pahiram naman muna. Yung, syempre, ini-enjoy mo naman din yung moment. Pero at the back of it, parang ang sama din nung feeling na nakaka-guilty na alam mo na meron kang pinagkakautangan ng, hindi lang ng money eh, pero yung integrity mo na kukompromise.
Yeah. I have a question. Nagkaroon ka na ba ng time na gusto mo naman bayaran but you can't, pero deadma ka? Hindi ka na muna magpaparamdam until...
Oo. I'm not proud of it.
Okay, sakit yan ha?
Oo.
Sakit yan.
Hindi na ngayon.
Hindi-
Nagkaroon ng time. Aminado naman ako.
How do you feel about that? How did you go about that?
Kasi may part na, sandali, hindi ako makareply kasi hindi ko talaga alam sasabihin ko sa iyo eh. Yung parang, nakailang beses ka na sorry, wala pa, or by the end of the month. Unexpectedly, yung lalo na sa work natin.
Project basis. Yeah.
Minsan, delayed yung mga payment. Sabi mo, end of the month, babayaran ko. End of the month, hindi dumating yung cheque. Tapos
may message sa'yo, Abby, smiley face.
Oo, parang any update on the yung parang ako, syempre, ikaw din, parang sandali, hindi ko talaga alam din yung sasabihin ko kasi wala
Do you read it? Or hindi mo
as much as possible, hindi ko bubuksan yung message. Kasi alam ko naman. Pero kung nabuksan ko, again, I've learned from this na. Kasi I've also reached that point where I'm at na I don't wanna be in debt anymore.
Yeah.
And I want to be as transparent as I can be na I was waiting for this, hindi pumasok.
Yeah.
Pero, kumbaga sagutin mo. Pero nagkaroon din ng time na you're also put in a position na gusto mo naman magbayad. Pero life happens. Hindi pumasok yung mga ibang payables. Hindi mo rin mabayaran.
I think the good balance there is, kung hindi mo mabayaran, for now, sabihin mo hindi mo kaya.
Oo.
Diba?
Be honest na lang.
Pasensya na kasi dun ka pwedeng, since nag-weigh-in ka naman na close tayo, pwede akong umutang. Mag-weigh-in ako, sorry one last time, kung pwede mo akong bigyan ng palugi since close naman tayo.
Tsaka ang pangit din
Respeto.
doon yung for the person na naniningil, yung nagmumukhang tanga rin, na siya pa yung naghahabol dun sa may utang sa
siya
kanya.
Siya pa yung
Nahiya.
hindi, siya yung nahiya, siya pa yung tumatawad.
Oo.
Di ba, yung 10,000, baka pwedeng kahit this week, 1,000 lang muna.
Oo.
Ay, hindi ba pwede?
Hindi, tsaka paano kung kailangan din talaga na ng person?
O kaya nga, so ang gagawin niya, or ganito, ang malala pa dito, yung tinitingi-tingi, yung kunwari, umiram ako ng 15,000, uy, pahiram naman 15, no? Tapos yung 15, naging tigpa 500, di mo na naramdaman yung pagbalik.
Meron akong may kwento ako. Nagpaalam ako sa kanya kasi sabi ko, we're talking about utang. Gusto ko i-share yung story niya. Nanghiram sa kanya, tapos kailangan niya talaga yung money. Hindi siya pinapansin, nakailang singil na siya. Ang sabi niya, uy, baka pwedeng hiramin ko na muna yung pinahiram ko sa'yo, tapos babayaran ko na lang agad, ibabalik ko na lang agad kapag
Ang ganda nun. Nakakahiya.
Sabi ko talaga, wow, ikaw pa yung nangutang dun sa inutang sa'yo, ikaw pa yung mahihiya, tapos sasabihin mo pa, ibabalik ko na lang.
Ang lala. Para lang magkaroon siya ng pera at that
para
time.
lang bumalik sa kanya yung money.
Oh my.
Diba? To be placed in that position, syempre, maiisip mo, a person could be inconsiderate when it comes to money matters and insensitive because you also don't know nga kung kailangan na talaga nung tao yung pera. So, nilalagay mo sila sa posisyon na sila na yung nagmagandang loob, sila pa yung naargabyado.
And we're talking about like messaging, 'di ba, na naniningil. You know naman yung dun sa nangungutang na nagme-message, this is my pet peeve.
Yeah.
Okay? Ang pet peeve ko, yung, G, can I ask you something? Yung parang, why don't you ask me now?
Or G lang muna, G.
G, smiley face. Tapos magre-reply ka, yes. I mean like, kasi I haven't heard from you in a while. How are you? And then sasabihin niya, baka meron ka dyang extra 5,000 or, hindi, pero off topic na to. Kasi along the lines din yan of, I have a business, baka gusto mong mag-invest. Yung mga ganon.
Medyo related sila.
Related, Yung parang, for me, if you have something to ask right away. Don't bait me to reply to you.
Yeah.
Tapos after nun, hindi na, I am guilty
Ang awkward na rin.
Yeah, ang awkward. Or I'm guilty of this, ha. Pag nakita ko, dun sa tab, na may figure, na baka pwedeng pahiram ng 10,000 gano'n. I'm busy.
Hindi mo na nabubuksan.
Hindi ko muna bubuksan. Kasi for me, I don't wanna be put in a position na humindi, pwede naman mabasa ko na siya right away and be given yung opportunity to decide kung gusto ko bang makipag-engage in conversation. Hindi yung parang feel ko na bait na ako. Tapos, sorry, wala mo.
Tsaka makiramdam din. Yung iba, we were talking about how, may issue na nga dun sa friend group mo or kunyari kamag-anak mo. Pero yung antagal mo na hindi nakikita, hindi mo nakakausap, hindi nyo na nga alam kung ano nangyayari sa buhay ng isa't isa, tapos magme-message ka to borrow money. Parang, ang awkward din dun sa makakatanggap na, we haven't talked for like 10 or 15 years. And then, you expect me to be accommodating with your request.
Actually, you know what? Mas gusto ko pang magbigay na lang. Magbibigay na lang ako kaysa magpautang. This is quoting my brother.
Yeah.
He would rather give money than expect something. So, kunwari, alam ko na may pinagdadaanan yung kaibigan ko. Ako na yung magsasabi na, uy, I'll give you a little something. Hindi ako magpa-promise, papadala na lang ako. Ganon. So, at least, walang expectation, nakatulong pa ako.
Yeah.
Diba?
And I like what you said na may pinagdadaanan. Kasi, we're not saying naman na all utang is bad or parang matuturn off ka kasi nanghiram ng pera.
Yeah.
There are really some circumstances that you can't avoid or your friends and family can't avoid. And you could be used as a way then to bless those people.
Hindi naman siya necessarily bad all the time.
May emergencies.
Emergency. And maganda kasi kung may track record naman yung tao na nagbabayad. So, kung alam mo naman na hindi yun parang, borrowing money, can you call that a sickness? Kasi sometimes you don't need it, pero utang ka ng utang. Pag utang ba is a kind of complex. Kasi I feel like on the positive side of things, if you really need the money, people would believe you naman eh.
Sometimes you're really put in a position na wala din talaga eh. Like, meron akong mga kilala na they're very credible people, but kunyari lalo na when someone gets sick, maabot sa point that they really need to borrow or start a GoFundMe. Na alam mo, I think nandun din yun sa pag-gauge kung legit yung bagay na pagbibigyan mo ng money or ng pahiram.
Tsaka for me naman, on the positive side, pag pinautang mo ako, alam mo yung sinasabi nilang, yung quote na yung, ito nung walang-wala ako, nandito to for me. Yung ganon. So ako, being a person of integrity, wow!
Teka lang, may mga utang pa ba tayo? Teka, naglilis na. Baka mamaya may nagko-comment sa video natin. Si Abby may utang pa sa akin. Sorry, change episode.
Pero yun sa akin, yung sinasabi nila na nung walang-wala ako, yung person na yan, nandyan for me. Alam mo, most of the time, dalawang bagay lang yan. Emotional support, financial support. Most of the time. Alam mo, it's them being there for you to cry with you. It's them being there for you when you're sick in the hospital tas wala kang alam mo yun, pang bayad ng bills. Diba? So, I think that's the positive side. It strengthens the friendship.
Yeah.
Kung pareho kayong credible, you have word of honor and you have big hearts. Kasi I think, para magbigay ka, mataba ang puso mo. Kasi kung wala, nigas ka, bala ka. Parang sa buhay mo.
Yeah.
But I think it strengthens friendships if done the right way.
Tsaka just pay them back. Sometimes it doesn't even have to be right away. Pero magbayad ka ng utang. Kasi I've also experienced...
Ay, sorry na.
Bakit?
Dapat nasa t-shirt yun eh. It doesn't have to be right away.
Just
Magbayad.
pay.
Just pay.
Not right away, just
pay.
pay. Not right away, just pay. Okay. Kasi, naalala ko nga, like what you said, yung these people were there for me at my lowest. I've experienced being at my lowest, even financially. Like, umabot na sa point na naiiyak ka na. Kasi, naiyak na ako, Eme. Lalo na nung mga times na, kasi nagkaroon ng moment na nagkasakit yung dad ko. Tapos, kahit may pumapasok na pera, Hindi enough kasi mas malaki yung kailangan bayaran eh. So, darating din talaga sa ganong punto na ayaw mo naman manghiram talaga. Nakakahiya, lalo na kung kahit may pera yung tao, yung iisipin mo, ilang beses na ako nakalapit sa kanya. Pero wala talaga, I'm put in a desperate position. Kasi kung hindi, wala kaming pambayad sa ospital or wala kaming pangkain ngayong linggo. Yung mga ganon. So, it's really tricky. But I think more than being a sickness, it's also a part of maturity also na
to be financially responsible.
And if you're put in a position that you really need to borrow money, parang why?
Yeah.
Know the reasons, if they're legit. Kung luho lang yan, di ba? Yung meron tayong maluho kasi kung medyo magasta. Doon din ang galing yung parody na yun na kung alam mo na hindi naman necessary, kung want lang yan, hindi mo ikamamatay kung hindi ka nagpunta sa Thailand next week.
Hindi ka nag-Hong Kong kasama yung barkada mo.
Oy, napunta ako yun I-forgo mo na lang.
Oo. Ay, may sinasabi yung mom ko eh, live beneath your means. So, ibig sabihin, even if you have, don't overspend para kahit meron ka, ka pa rin, hindi ka mag-over, hindi ka magkukulang, diba? And pero, speaking of, diba, we talked about the positive, the negative, but then, what's a good way to say no? When kunwari, tayo na lang, diba? Kunwari, mag-ask siya sa akin, sabihin ni Bibay, yun nga, yung pakita.
Girl, meron ka bang extra dyan? Kasi na-short ako Yan talaga yung dialogue. Medyo na-short ako this month eh.
Tapos ako, wala talaga, sorry.
Di magkalimutan na tayo. Charot.
Hindi, pero kasi,
hindi naman ganun yung pagkasabi niya.
Hindi, pero it's very straight.
Sagutin mo, paano masasabihin? Yung actual.
Yung actual, sabihin ko, Bibay, sorry, pero medyo din ako ngayon hard up. But you know naman, if I could, I would.
Yeah.
I guess it's in the the strength talaga of the friendship. Or kahit nga hindi kayo super close, I would just I would advise, not all the time I did this because there are times di ko na lang inopen yung message. Pero siguro naisip ko now na nagto-talk tayo. Parang maybe it took a lot for that person to message.
Yeah.
So I would probably, moving forward, I would just answer frankly. Sabi ko, sorry, hindi talaga ngayon eh. Pero, I mean, hindi ko sasabihin, pero next time.
Oo. Next time na lang,
next
pag mas
time.
mayaman na ako, charot.
O yun. But how does money bring out the worst in people sometimes? Yun yung like, a nice question to
Gusto
talk
ko yung
about.
di ba may expression, nagpakilala sa 1,000.
Ano
Or,
yun?
yung parang kunyari, nangutang ka, 1,000. Tapos, hinahabol-habol kita. Expression yun parang si G nagpakilala sa 1,000. Yung nakita ko yung character mo dahil dun sa amount na yun.
Dahil lang sa
Expression
1,000 nasira ka.
Oo. It's
Oh.
something that people usually say. Kasi yun nga, money pa ba? Or 1,000 pa ba yung
Ikakasira
magdadamage
natin?
sa
Oo.
pagkakaibigan natin?
Yeah. I feel like, people are willing to gamble friendships kung, ayaw lang nilang i-face yung kahihiyan.
Mhm.
Yung mas maigi pang, this sucks. Pangit tong truth na to. Okay? Pero ilalabas ko yung latagos stable. Na, from Silpal Joyce. Hindi, kahit alam kong pwede tayong masira, mas iindahin ko yun kaysa maging honest na hindi ko pa kayang bayaran or iput ko yung sarili ko on the line. I think that's what I'm picking up from that.
Yung pride or
Oo,
ego?
yung pride.
Mhm.
Mas mahalaga siya kaysa sa'yo. Yung kahihiyan ko, tsaka yung putting myself out there to update you on
Yeah.
payments. Mas mahalaga yun kaysa ikaw. Tama ba? Yung
Pwede. Or baka hindi lang nila, yun nga minsan hindi nila kaya talaga bayaran. Pero yun nga, like what you said, you could speak up naman.
Yeah.
Kasi, both sides yan dun sa naniningil.
Mhm.
It's also nakakahiya minsan na ikaw
Yeah.
pa yung nag-a-ask, could I get my money back?
Yeah, yeah.
Diba?
But you know what's suckiest? If kunwari, nasabihan ka ng madamot, and then, nasabihan ka ng madamot, tapos yung person na to said, damot-damot, tignan mo may bagong kotse. Yung
They're gonna make you feel guilty,
Guilty
for
for-
what you have.
Oo,
which you worked for.
I worked hard for that ish. Like, if I have a new phone, a new whatever, I don't owe you my savings.
Yeah.
'Di ba? If I want to spend for something, justified 'yun because it's my prerogative. It's my choice to say yes or no. So if nag-no ako at may nakita kang binili kong bago, hindi ako on the other side na ako yung nangutang at nakakahiyang bumili ng bagong sapatos. Ako yung nasa kabilang side na may means. So if I want to buy something,
Yeah,
let me
that's your
live.
prerogative.
Yeah.
I think that goes to the culture that we have na minsan, yung humility nawawala when it comes to the person borrowing money.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Kasi ikaw pa talaga yung galit Yung parang, ako kulit naman ito Di ba
In-explain
ganun pa
ko
yung
na
Sinabi na nga wala pa ngayon Pwede ba? Or minsan ibabalik mo pa. Kunyari, doon tayo sa 1,000, parang 1,000 lang, kung makaningil ka naman, akala mo. Yung parang ganun.
yeah.
Sandali lang. Nung nanghihiram ka parang kulang na lang gumanyan-ganyan ka at meron pa, kailangan ko talaga. Tapos ngayon na,
Ikaw yung mayabang.
oo, ikaw na yung sinisingil, ikaw yung may atraso dun sa tao, ikaw pa yung galit.
Yeah, yeah.
So let's put ourselves in the din naman, tamang state of mind.
Yeah.
And kung yung pocket hindi pa makasunod, yung puso natin, nasa tama din. Be humble about it.
Pero ito, question. Like, kunwari, if you were to, lend money, kasi magaan naman yung loob mo dun sa tao, what's an acceptable amount to you? Kasi, before you answer,
Nasa depende rin yun sa income mo kung magkano yung natabi mong pera.
feeling ko kasi, as you age, as you grow, like,
Yeah.
tumataas siya.
Yeah.
So, but for you, what would be a respectable, you can sleep amount?
Or, ang sabihin ko na lang, yung willing ako na mawala. To let go. Yung sinabi mo kanina na
Yeah.
5 to 10.
5 to 10? Donya ka.
Uy, bakit? Hindi, kasi
Donya ka.
sisingilin ko pa rin yun. Pero pag alam ko na yung sitwasyon ng tao, like what you said, parang good as na rin yun
Good as-
hindi pinamigay. Parang
Good as
tulong.
gone. Oo, good as
Tulong
gone.
mo na
Oo.
yun dun sa tao.
Yeah, yeah.
Lalo na kung alam mo yung pangangailangan.
Yeah. Ako, to answer that question, if kunwari, I'm in a position, tapos kunwari super close, where ikaw, heaven forbid, punta ka sa hospital or whatever.
Grabe naman yun.
Sorry.
I didn't know that this episode would make me feel this way.
Kunwari, like, sobrang need, okay? And sabihin natin, ano ba, life, hindi kasi pinag-uusapan dito yung limit eh.
Mm.
'Di ba? So, pag sinabing limit, life in danger ang equation nun sa akin eh.
Mm.
So, willing to let go, kung kaya, 100.
Aww.
Oo. Yung tapos the rest, kung whenever. Yung ganon.
Yeah.
Yung basta
Makadonya ka sa 5,000 ko 10,000. Grabe naman.
hindi kasi pinag-uusapan.
Kumbaga ano lang yun eh. Just 100.
Hindi pinag-uusapan kasi buhay.
Oo.
So, pero kung kunwari, hindi naman buhay, tas alam ko na yung babayad ka ng kuryente, ganun. Siguro mga 5,000, 10,000.
Malaking share. Uy, pangdagdag na yun.
Oo,
Malaking bagay
pandagdag.
na yun.
Mga ganun level. So, for the viewers, can you sound off? Let us know. Do you agree with the amount? 5 to 10? 5 to 10?
5 to 10.
5 to 10? 5 to 10? 5 to 10? Oo, yun yung something
Feeling ko, ano yun? It's,
generous enough. Yung hindi ka masasabihan na madamot, pero at the same time, you can still budget.
kasi, at saka I mean, may kilala rin naman tayo na may mga nagpapautang ng big amounts. Pero, yung feeling ko sa middle class, parang okay na yung 5 to 10.
5 to 10. Yeah.
Pero let us know if it's too much or if it's too little. Lalo na kung alam mo na kailangan talaga ng tao.
Yeah, and flex. I mean, you know, how generous you've been.
Gusto ko yung minsan, parang, meron tayong ganun discussion before. Yung parang, meron din akong pamilya na sinusuportahan at pinapakain. Yung mga
Hindi lang
ganyan.
ikaw.
Hindi lang ikaw.
Oo, lahat tayo may
Naalala ko
pinagdadaanan.
yung sa pagiging selfish na sinasabi mo. Yung needs kasi ng tao, iba-iba. So you can't expect na for you, kunyari, pahiram ng 5,000. 5 lang naman eh.
Yeah.
Parang, pambayad na namin yun ng So,
Yeah.
different, situations for different people.
Oo, pasok naman siya sa budget. Wow.
Pero huwag kayo mag-expect.
Yun.
Ganun din. Ikaw na yung nangihiram, huwag ka rin mag-expect na una, papahiramin ka, pangalawa, yung amount na hinihingi mo, yun dapat yung ibigay. Kasi kaya mo naman eh. Ganun yung Minsan nga, nagre-reply pa, ito lang yung kaya ko okay lang ba?
Okay lang.
any amount, just to
I mean, ito pala, by the way, ang another fulfilling thing for me is yung naunahan ko siyang maningil.
Mm-mm.
Yung hindi, ang sarap.
Oo nga, ang sarap nung ganung feeling.
Sarap nung feeling na yun, para kang naka-jebs. Sarap.
Grabe siya.
I mean, nagtanggal ka ng sama ng loob eh. Parang,
Wow.
sorry. I mean, it's
She
just,
likes poop jokes. I don't
I know
talaga.
she doesn't, but I like fart jokes. Insert a sound bite.
Okay. Okay.
Hindi, pero siya, for me, ang sarap nung feeling, parang kang nakapag-release ng, responsibilidad.
Yeah.
Na, and when you earn, when you get your paycheck, ang nasa utak ko kaagad, wire. Wire. Tapos, hindi ako mag-ask ng update. Padala ng screenshot. Thank you so much. Ganyan. Tapos, it's so satisfying. For me, you know naman yung term na satisfying when you peel off something clean. Or, alam mo yun, to me, it's so satisfying when ang conversation flow is so clean. Yung parang, uy, ganito, okay lang ba? Pwede makiram? Sige, pero okay lang ba if ganito? Yeah, no problem. Ang next na nun, screenshot.
Nagbayad na.
Oo.
And like what you said, it feels good to you.
Yeah.
I'm sure it also feels good to the person na nabayaran kasi walang cause of sama ng loob.
Oh, hindi nga, she didn't disappoint.
Oo, kasi kahit hindi naman sabihin ng kaibigan mo, syempre at the back of my mind, di pa sabi ni G, pero sige, okay lang. So pag lumampas na yung sinabihan mo na payment date, kahit hindi magsalita yung tao, may part na,
Hindi, tsaka
sabi,
what if, ito, recent, okay? Yung, I have someone who borrowed money from me. Ang sabi niya sa akin, kailangan ganito for emergency lang, bukas ko siya babayaran. Today lang talaga wala, bukas ko siya babayaran.
Yeah.
Tapos ako, parang, medyo malaki yung amount. So, ko, yeah, no problem, bukas naman eh. So doon ko rin nagigauge.
Yeah.
Pwede ba ako magpahiram ng Pwede ba ako magpahiram ng quote and quote kunwari 50,000. Bukas naman babayaran eh. Di parang nakatulong na ako, hindi pa nawala, parang nawala lang in a day sa bangko. Yun yung ko.
Sana lang sure din na papasok yung money. Kasi ako naman, merong mga nanghihiram na sana hindi mo na lang sinabi na by Tuesday. Kasi
Oo.
inasahan ko din ng Tuesday
Yes,
ka
yes.
magbabayad eh.
Oo,
Tapos
oo.
hindi mo
Oo.
Parang pay when able na lang.
Question,
Pay when able.
prangka ka ba pag ganyan?
Prangka na.
I'm blessed
hindi
to
ako nang aaway.
Hindi, pero do you text people and tell them straight up? I was expecting.
Oo. Well, not like that. Pero kasi I'm also trying to be on top of my finances na nakasulat lahat yan. Kung
Oo,
ano yung
para tayo.
pumasok, kung ano yung
Yeah.
lumabas, kung ano yung napahiram. Gusto ko kasi every month, maganda yung record ko. So, hindi ko nakakalimutan, sorry, kapag pag meron nga akong pinahiram, meron akong timeline sa sarili ko na follow up.
Yeah.
So, sasabihin ko talaga, hi, any update on the
Yeah. You treat it like work.
Oo.
Yung any follow-up ganyan kasi it's incoming funds.
Yeah.
Kahit
And
ikaw
I
naman
will
yung
use that
pahiram.
also in my other
Yeah.
stuff.
I think that falls on on like the topic of yung pressure on collecting money or keeping the peace. Magtitiis ka na lang ba? Mangingit-ngit ka sa social media? Yung habang nakikita mo yung parang, yung magka-crack yung veneers mo kasi ayaw mo magmura.
Uy.
Hayop ka. Bakit ka nasa
Wow.
Thailand? Nasa tuk-tuk bumibili ng kung ano-ano sa chat-to-chat, ganyan.
Mhm.
Tapos may utang ka sa aking 25,000, hayop ka.
Grabe.
Yeah, so-
Grabe siya. Sino ba kaaway mo?
Hindi ako yun, But I'm saying, would you, like, mangit-ngit na lang, or, we answered this already, but answer on the comments, mangingit-ngit ka na lang ba, or would you risk it and tell the person? Get it out of your system.
Get it out.
Get it out.
Hindi ako
Pay
dun.
me na.
Kasi keeping the peace doesn't mean that you don't have remorse.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes you say, I won't say na lang anything para okay kami. Pero, nagfi-fester yun eh.
Yeah.
Na at the back of your mind, grabe, I can't believe.
May-
Nagpakilala sa 1,000. But yun nga, as we mature and as we grow up, we know the value of being in situations like this.
Mhm.
So, empathy and compassion also
Mhm.
towards the person.
Empathy and compassion for the lender.
For the
Integrity and
for the
honest-
lendee.
For the lender. Lender.
Yung
I lend you.
nanghihiram. O yung nanghihiram din. Parang may pinanggagalingan ka rin kung ba't kailangan mo manghiram.
Okay.
Oo. Pero yung lender, kailangan, may mga pangangailangan din siya. Pero for that person to actually give you pa or part of her monthly, weekly pay to you, yun din siguro.
Yeah.
Intindihin mo din yun and be sensitive about it. Be considerate also.
Ako, in closing, kasi I think ang laman nito, no? Tatanungin na lang kita, and we'll talk about the games ba? Do we have that in a bit? But one last thought on this. We said the positive and negative of lending money and
Personal lang naman to.
personal.
Mm-mm.
We talked about it, lending and borrowing.
Mhm.
What would you prefer? To be in the lending or the borrowing? Would you be the lender or the lendee?
The lending. Ako, that's part of my prayer
Akala ko
also.
lending.
Lender. Lende. I can be lende. I wanna be lende. But that's another episode. But in terms of money, syempre, that's part of my prayer also. Sabi ko, pag nag-ano
You
ko,
wanna
please bless me so that I could also bless the people around
Yeah.
me.
Yeah.
With the whole borrowing situation, it could get tricky. There could be some tension, pero yung pinaka-heart
Mhm.
and basic na kaya nanghihiram yung tao kasi kailangan niya talaga.
Yeah.
I wanna be in that position to
To
help.
lend.
To lend.
Yeah, to help.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
I also know how it feels to be on the other side. So, alam ko rin kung gaano ka grateful yung pinahiram.
Yeah.
So, gusto ko mapunta naman sa kabilang side. Ikaw?
For me, obviously, I want to be the lender.
Mhm.
Diba? Lahat naman siguro tayo, for people who are watching, gusto mo ba
Yeah.
mapunta sa point forever na maging lendee?
Mhm.
Diba? So,
Yeah.
I mean, I want to be the lender. I want to be in a position to bless. Pero sana ang ideal part dyan is walang masirang friendship
Yeah.
along the way. You know, that's the most ideal thing. You get to help and maintain decades of friendship. Good job to us.
Good job. I know, we've improved.
Oo, hindi naman tayo nag-away sa yung utang-utang. Wala namang
Wala.
walang ganun-ganun.
Pera, minsan.
Pero hindi utang.
Oh, hindi utang.
Oo,
hindi
wala
utang.
yung ganun. So,
Oo.
I mean, it's not it's not super perfect, but at least it is helpful if you have friendship rules.
Yeah.
Your
Tsaka,
own friendship rules.
yung pinaka nagiging issue lang naman is kung able ka naman at meron kang ibang babayad,
Yeah.
hindi ka pa nagbayad, magbayad ka na. Hindi yung makikita pa, meron pang mga social media posts na I'm spending on this, I got this. Parang, siguro as a general rule, if you borrowed money and money actually comes in,
Pay them!
Pay right away. Alright, so ngayon naman, let's do some scenarios.
Okay.
G,
To end the show.
Yes, here on Say What, meron tayong segment parate kung saan mamimili tayo between two options.
Yes.
And ang
Options?
ang ating options ngayong araw na ito ay babayaran or kakalimutan.
Yeah.
So, eto, pinaka-basic, na pinagdadaanan din natin minsan.
Aha.
Lalabas na ng parking. 50 pesos, 100 pesos.
Ay, ako yun.
Or tol, pera muna ng wala akong barya.
Yeah,
Okay, ito,
Yeah.
Babayaran kakalimutan.
For me, since ako yung guilty dyan, kakalimutan.
Nakamagkano na ata ako? Tsaka ka-parking.
Siguro yung mga pa 5 pesos. Siguro mga naka 1.5 na rin ako sa'yo.
Mga tig 50,
Tig 50, mga ganyan. Kalimutan na yan.
Hindi, pero pag mga ganong amount, kalimutan, ako din naman, yung mga, syempre, alam nga namang kulitin pa kita, yung 15 pesos kanina na parang hindi na, bigay ko na yun.
Hindi, tapos
Sabi ko, I got it.
Hindi, mga asar ako kung gaganunin mo ako. Anong bank account?
Gcash mo.
Gcash na lang ako na
Gcash
magkano.
na lang.
15.
Oo. Pero minsan yung mga 100, 200, kunyari, kakain sa labas with friends, di ko pinapalambas din Yung mga oy, pa-Gcash na lang kanina.
Yeah. That's fine. Pero parking, let it go.
Okay rin na yan.
Frozen.
Ikaw.
Ako, outlandish naman ako. Kasi
Sige.
personal, kaya
Okay.
outlandish. Okay. Bibili ng rest house sa Baguio na
Wow.
Nordic style na bahay. Tapos, alam niyo na well-off ka naman. So, yung friend says, can you lend me, magbibigyan ako ng amount? Sabihin natin 5M, payable in 3 years. Ito yung PDC. Din ako, high roller din ako kasi may PDC So, ito yung PDC, 5M, 3 years.
Give me a percentage, I'll lend you. I'll invest on your property.
Oh!
But I need to make money out of it as well.
Oh! Being a rich, I would. No, would you? If you would borrow that much, would you take that offer?
Parang I would take it as an investment.
Okay.
Wag naman yung bigay lang. I think ganun din, pag yumayaman. Pag yumayaman na yung parang, ano din ang makukuha ko dyan? Bigyan mo ako ng I wanna be a stakeholder in the company or in the property.
Yeah,
Oo.
okay.
Let's talk business. I'm not just gonna give money away.
Oo.
How am I gonna earn from it also? Because I'm rich, but I wanna be richer. Ay.
Ikaw.
Next. Ito. Emergency.
Emergency. Okay.
Pero malaki-laking amount.
Okay.
May na-hospital sa family ko, pero pasensya na, medyo, alam ko, may ganun pa, alam ko kaya mo naman, pero kailangan ko ng 50 para lang this week makatawid na kami.
Tapos never mo binayaran. 'Di ba? Kaya babayaran.
Or sasabihin ko sa iyo, hindi ko pa alam kung kailan ko mababalik.
You're upfront with me.
Oh,
na hindi mo alam
Oh,
kung
hindi
kailan
ko
mo
alam.
mababayaran.
Are you gonna treat that as blessing na?
Kung ako nasa posisyon na, like if I'm able to help, yan? Bayaran pa kalimutan? Kalimutan. Kung emergency Kaya ngayon yung sinasabi ko kanina kung life or death or emergency,
Yeah.
I would let that go.
Parang
Pero
hindi mo ilalet ko parang ngipin mo.
Pero masama yung loob ko
Or hindi mo ba pwedeng tratuhin na I owe you in other ways?
What do you mean?
Gaga! Hindi, ibig sabihin, para mong pwedeng ibalik sa pag may favor na in the future. Although tatawid na yun sa utang
Na
ng
loob Yeah. Oh, utang tsaka utang ng loob. Yeah. So, wala naman akong choice pero I will begrudgingly let it go.
Meron pa ako isa.
Meron
Meron naman ako in-expect na money to come in kaso hindi dumating. Pero pupunta na ako US. 2 months ako doon. Pwede
Kailan
mo ba
dadating yung
munang
check?
dapat this week. Kaso, biglang na-delay, hindi pa daw nila alam kung kailan papasok. Could you lend me muna for my US trip?
Pero more or less kailan babalik? Ganyan siya talaga.
Hindi ko alam Siguro in 2 months din.
2 months.
Pagbalik ko.
And then,
Kasi kailangan ko in-cash yung check, so kailangan makauwi muna ako.
and then nakauwi ka na, hindi ka pa nagbayad? Hindi ko papabayaan. Hindi ko, ano yun? Ano yun?
Pababayaran.
Pababayaran ko siya.
Okay.
Pababayaran ko siya. Kasi for me, nakatakos ka, nakaportos ka, naka-in and
In and
out
out.
ka.
Yeah.
Tapos, pagbalik mo, dead ma? Ay, no. I'm gonna ask.
Luho yun
Luho yun I'm
Oo.
gonna ask. Pwede ba, Bibay, let me know when you can pay? Because I'm sure naman by now nakarating na yung check. Pag sinabi mo sa ay, hindi pa, maybe you can,
Kulang pa kasi yung budget ko Gagamitin ko muna for my
sasabihin mo gagamitin ko pa muna?
Oo.
Ay!
Pumasok na yung pera kaso nandito pa ako sa States ngayon. And ang hirap pumunta dito from one place to another. Kasi when I'm on Bumble, I need to meet different people
No,
from
no, no.
different states. Different states!
Pay me!
Charot.
Pay
Okay,
me! Pay me! Ayan. Ako naman, last na to, no?
Okay.
Boyfriend. Boyfriend. Hindi, mas mayaman ka kaysa sa boyfriend. Tapos yung boyfriend sabi, Han, kasi meron akong car
Hindi mo na
repair.
kailangan mag-ask. How much ba kailangan mo?
Ang mamasang!
Ano ba? Anong klase? What kind of car?
Eme! Ang mamasang! Paano?
Utang? Ba't ko pa utangin, jowa ko? Bigay ko na yan. Sus!
Talaga ba? Oh my gosh! Okay, for the viewers, kung jowa mo, yung umutang sa'yo, sisingilin mo ba?
Sus, gaganin ko lang, babe.
Hindi. How are you gonna pay me?
You could pay me later.
If boyfriend, car enthusiast, for the viewers, okay, na may jowa na into motor or cars,
May collection siya
collection, wow.
Ako bubuo. Oy!
Han, kasi kailangan ko ng bagong headlights. May bago kasing pumasok ngayon for the GL BYD car. Maganda kasi yung headlights nun. Kaso hindi pa papasok yung paycheck ko next week. Baka naman pwede mo akong pahiramin ng 250.
Pesos?
250,000. Naiba i-plan.
Ano ba ngayon? It's November. I'll just get it for you for Christmas.
Paano kung Christmas di na nagbayad? Kasi sumasakay ka naman daw sa car.
Gift ko naman na yun sa kanya.
Ay, grabe siya. Hindi niya sisingilin.
Hindi. Kakalimutan.
Oh my gosh.
Pero
Sorry.
mananatili sa aming puso. Uy!
Sorry. I will end this by saying, bayaran mo. Bayaran mo.
Totoo ba?
Yes, you should be pampering me. You should be spending for me.
Sabi mo, I have naman enough money to pay for the,
Yeah, pero work for the payback.
okay.
Diba? So, anyways.
Shega, mama.
Shake it like your money maker. So, it was super fun, like this
Yeah.
episode. And I think everyone can relate to it. I apologize for divulging certain things in this show.
Final words.
Wag ka makapal ang mukha, magbayad ka. Yon, ikaw.
Okay. Sana wag umabot sa point na ang dami nating utang sa life. Pero if ever man we're placed in that situation that you really need to borrow, magbayad ka, or kung hindi pa kaya, be transparent and open kung kailan mo mababayaran. And wag na ikaw yung mapagmalaki pa.
Yon. So I guess this is the time where we give a shout out to our sponsors for making the show possible. Thank you to Cuddle Bunny. Woo!
Thank you, Cuddle Bunny.
This really nice studio. If you wanna check them out, their social media is always available for shoots. Ang specialty nila is baby. So if you want to take cute pictures of your babies, check out Cuddle Bunny.
Signorama, thank you so much for really cool light
Yes.
sign.
Ayan, so if you have any business, actually they do light installations in your studios,
Yeah,
in your
kahit sa
home,
bahay.
sa bahay. Check them out. Also, Click Media PH.
Thank you guys.
Was covering for our show. Thank you for the nice shots, flattering shots. Thank you.
Simple Joys, thank you for our furniture.
Yes, for our furniture.
Super comfy and super nice.
And of course, the Slim Firm. So the Slim Firm, I personally love their stuff. So check out their social
Nilaklak
media.
mo nga eh.
Oo,
Sinabi mo
nilaklak ko yung
kanina na-
ACV gummies
Oo.
nila. Gummies nila dapat twice a day lang, parang half a bottle.
Naubos niya halos.
Okay. And Pocket Studio Manila.
Pocket Studio, thank you. Tunog maganda parate sa ating podcast.
Yeah.
Because
And,
of Pocket Studio.
no, and it makes everyone a singer look like
Put some reverb. Okay.
Nice, di ba? Dub it! Okay. And then, of course, AAA Digital!
Yeah, thank you, AAA.
Yes, to Shar and Ika for always being so creative with our shoots. And, of course, our food sponsor, Chick and Juicy.
I'm hungry.
It's about time. It's about time. And, of course, please check out our social media. Don't forget to give us a follow if nakapag-relate kayo sa topic natin.
Comment, share your stories.
Yes, comment, share, and like.
Yes.
Ayan. So, we'll be seeing you on the next episode. And until then, say
Say what? Bye.
Bye.